All right, so you're probably wondering, based on the title, how I purchased this van for $3.99. Stay tuned. I'll walk you through the numbers and show you how to do the same thing. You might actually have to watch this a second time because I'm going to run through this real fast, so pay attention. All right, so we purchased a van on September 19th, 2017. You can see the sales invoice there on your screen. The purchase price for the van, including all the ridiculous, stupid fees the dealer hits you with, the total bottom line that we paid that day was $16,300.01. Just for the sake of math, I'm going to drop that penny off for the next calculations you're going to see here. Yes, we did pay cash for this because I don't believe in auto loans. We sold the van on March 8th of 2025 for $5,400. Yes, once again, in cash. I like cash money. So if you subtract the purchase price of $16,300 minus what we sold it for, $5,400, you'll see the difference is $10,900 for the time period that we owned it. We owned it for approximately 7.5 years. This means the van cost us $1,453 each year that we had it. Now keep in mind, the cost of ownership that I'm talking about is simply the cost of the van, period. This does not include insurance. It does not include gas, maintenance, repairs, all that other good stuff. This is just the cost of the vehicle per se. Now, if we go a little deeper to the next step, we own that van for 90 months, 90 months. That means that $10,900 divided by 90 gives you a cost per month of about $121.11. Oh, just wait, the math class isn't over yet. That means we also own the van for approximately 389 weeks. That brings our weekly cost of that van to $28.02. And now here is the answer you've all been waiting for. We own that van for 2,727 days. Means the cost, that 10,900 divided by 2,727 days, gives you a cost per day of $3.99. All right, so a final word on budgeting. If you go back to that monthly figure, because that's sort of the easy one, $121.11. The bottom line is, if you're not setting aside about $125 every month for at least a 4, 5, 6 year run, you aren't going to have the cash to go buy your next vehicle. So the final thought of the day, save that cash, budget that money, make sure you set aside at least $125 for the purchase of your next vehicle. Pay cash, build wealth. Make it a good day, y'all.